In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to easily show the battery percentage on your Samsung device. Many users find it helpful to see the exact battery level instead of just relying on the battery icon. Luckily, Samsung provides a simple way to show the battery percentage directly on your screen without any additional apps. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap Notifications. After that, tap Advanced Settings. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Show Battery Percentage. To enable it, simply toggle on this switch over here. And now you can see the exact battery percentage you have left on your Samsung phone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.